In this video, I'll show you how to publish a BASE44 app online. If you already built your app and want other people to access it through a live link, BASE44 makes the publishing process simple and beginner-friendly. First, open your web browser and log in to your BASE44 account. Once you're inside your dashboard, select the app you want to publish. Before putting it online, take a moment to test the main pages, buttons, forms, automations, and any important features inside your app. This helps make sure everything works properly before you share it with users. After checking your app, look for the Publish button inside the BASE44 editor. Click on it to open the publishing settings. This is where you can prepare your app to go live and make it accessible outside the editor. Now, review the app URL. BASE44 may give you a default public link, but depending on your settings, you may also be able to customize the URL so it looks cleaner and easier to share. Choose a name that matches your app, brand, or business so users can recognize it more easily. Next, check the access settings for your app. If you want anyone with the link to open the app, choose the public option. If your app is only meant for a private team, clients, or internal users, enable login protection or restricted access if available. This step is important because it controls who can actually use your app after it goes online. Once the URL and access settings look correct, confirm the publish action. BASE44 will generate the live version of your app and make it available through the link. After publishing, copy the live URL and open it in a new browser tab to test it as a visitor. This lets you see exactly what other people will see when they open your app. If something doesn't look right, go back to the BASE44 editor, make the changes you need, and publish the updated version again. Most edits can be made directly inside the editor, so you don't need to rebuild the app from scratch every time you want to update it. You can also share the published link with users, clients, team members, or customers. If your app is for a business, you can place the link on your website, social media, email signature, ads, or anywhere people need access to the tool. If you want a more professional setup, you can also connect a custom domain if your plan supports it. This allows your BASE44 app to open from your own branded domain instead of only using the default BASE44 link. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to publish a BASE44 app online. The main steps are simple. Open your app, test everything, click Publish, review the URL and access settings, copy the live link, and share it with your users. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more no-code AI tools and app building tutorials.